Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the brown fish owl. Brown fish owl is a bird native to the Asian forest and the wetland. It's have a brown plumages which help it blend into its surrounding. It's earned its name as a fish owl due to its habit of hunting for a fish. These owls have some unique features, so let's explore them further. Very first, we see its size, weight. So its size is 48 to 58 centimeter. Its weight is 1100 gram to the 1300 grams. In these owls, the females are often larger and heavier than males. When we see the owl first time, the very first thing we notice in this owl about their ear tuft. Mostly when we see the owl, their ear tufts are vertical, where in case of this owl, their ear tufts are floppy and horizontal. The second thing we note, they have a flattish crown, and these flattish crown are marked with the black lining. Then we other things we observe, they have a buffy facial disc, they have a dark brown wing cover, their flight feather are whitish buff, their scapular and throat are whitish, and these whitish are marked with the black striking. Now if you see carefully their upper part, it was a buffish white, and in this buffish white you have a long dark brown striking that you can see in this picture. And again, if we see carefully that feather, it was lined by very thin pale roughish cross lining. When we see the eye of this owl, these eye are golden yellow to the bright yellow in color. Their bill is typically greenish gray with a dusky on culmen and the tip. Let's talk about their legs and feet. They are dusky yellow. Their claws are horny brown, and if you carefully see their tarsi, you didn't find the feathers on their tarsi. The brown owl is generally found in thick lowland forest, open but well wooded country, always near water. They can also be found in old mango groves or plantation, or even you can see them beside the road, beside the canal, even though you can see them in a densely leafy trees along with the stream and tanks or overgrow eroded ravines and step river blank may be found near a human habitation, and they are ranging from lowland up to 1800 meter of the elevation. So in short, you can say you can find this near wooded area near the water. Now, let's talk about how they hunt and what was their food. The brown fish owl feeds mainly on the fish, frog, and crab, but also take a rodent, birds, reptiles, and large beetles. Hunts by watching for a prey from the perch, overlook a water, such as a stump or rock on the edge or in the middle of the stream. They will often fly up and down and sometimes almost skimming the water. Fish are scooped up from the near the surface. Now let's talk about their distribution. So here you in the map you can see they are distributed into the northwest Pakistan, through the Himalayas, in the Nepal, in south from the India, Sri Lanka, west to the southern China, down to the Malaya Peninsula. With their bushy ear tuft, long tail, beautiful white streaking on their body, make them absolute treat to the eye. So these are the very cute owl according to us. Thanks for watching.